Hey, this is Miles with SellerAmp, and in this video, I'm gonna walk you through step-by-step the best ways to source products for Q4, some Q4 tips and tricks. In my own Amazon business last December, I made over $80,000 in profit. So make sure you stick around through this entire video. I'm gonna walk you through a bunch of Q4 sauce to help you maximize your Q4 goals. So what types of products do you actually want to be looking at in terms of sourcing for Q4? So in general, stuff that's giftable or winter themed is going to perform really, really well. So think like winter clothing, any types of clothing, shoes, beauty products, stuff that could be giftable, right? Toys, for example. A lot of that stuff is going to perform disproportionately well during Q4. Now, does it make sense to buy products that you think are gonna go up in price naturally as demand goes up, right? In my opinion, not at all. So let's take a look at this product, for example. So we can see currently this has an unknown BSR, as we can see here on SellerAmp. However, there are a ton of reviews, right? If we scroll down here to take a look at the Keep It chart on SellerAmp, and we can go to the year long, we can see that last Q4, the price on this absolutely went to the moon. We can see the price was around like 45 bucks. In late October, early November, up around 50. And then in December, it went all the way up to like $65, $68, $69, right? So there's a good chance this product's gonna perform disproportionately well again this December, right? Now, I don't think it makes any sense to buy and speculate that this is gonna go up in price. However, what I do think it makes sense to is whenever you come across stuff like this, which is gonna happen all the time as you're doing product research the next couple months, is it's gonna make a lot of sense to catalog and organize these, right? So how do you do this? So really easily on SellerAmp.com, you can set up spreadsheets, right? And what the spreadsheets allow you to do is, for example, this item, say I find this is something I probably want to come back and look at during Q4, right? So all I do is one-click export this to Q4 leads example right here, and then if we head over to the spreadsheet, we can see this is nice and waiting for me right here, 929. I got all the data I need. Can put in a little note right here, which I already have. So doing another example right there, went from 45 to 70 last Q4. Be on the lookout for basic Nike item, etc. Right, and it also makes sense that this would do well. It's a natural black color. Right, and then if you guys run into listings like this that don't have a sales rank in the future, you want to audit how quick they're moving by looking at the Keep It chart. So something like this, we can see there were 40 sellers on September 8th, and now there's 24 sellers, and the price set up, so clearly it sells a lot, right? And we can see this and tons of other listings absolutely went to the moon last Q4, so it's really important to be cataloging this stuff as you're finding it, because we're already taking the time to find these products, so we might as well be able to maximize the profit as much as possible the next couple months. Right? And then in terms of just breaking down a winning item right here, I just found these for $14.96 over on Dick's Sporting Goods, on sale from $35, right? So this was just an item I found. Just doing manual sourcing. You're gonna see lots of manual sourcing opportunities when Black Friday and Christmas sales roll around. So I'd mainly recommend reverse sourcing for now with coupons in mind, but then eventually over time, you're gonna do a lot more manual because you're gonna learn your favorite websites, as have I over the years, right? So they're $14.96 over on Amazon, all the way down from $35. We can see there's currently no buy box right here, but the lowest price is about $34.87, right? So we plug in that $14.96 right here, we can see it's gonna leave us about $8.50 profit, 57% ROI right there. Really, really solid after shipping, fees, sales tax, product cost, everything like that. And then in terms of finding more product to search from, because we can see this is clearly a well-performing item, right? It makes sense for us to look inside the storefronts of the other sellers selling this product to find more leads. And that is gonna hold true during Q4 as well. Like for example, with this item right here that went to the moon, we can take a look at the people that are selling this year when it goes up in price again. If it does go up in price again, those people are smart. They might have taken advantage of it in the past, and they're gonna be taking advantage of other stuff in the future too. So storefront stock is gonna be a great way to find other leads from other sellers as well. Right, so what I did, scroll down here, went ahead and opened up all the storefronts of the other sellers right here. And now what we can do is take a look at the other products these sellers are carrying that we think are gonna be Q4 themed or disproportionately gonna perform well. Luckily, sellers tend to choose a niche for the most part, so we can see this guy's got like a lot of types of clothing items, so a lot of this stuff's gonna perform well the next couple months as well. So we can open up these, right? We're mainly gonna be looking for sub 100K BSR stuff. You can go a little bit above that this time of year just because volume increases across the board right here, but let's take a look at some of this stuff here, guys. Let's see what we got. Cool, okay, so these polo shirts right here, we can see range right around like 43, 45 right here, right? So we wanna pay about 20 bucks. So we can give this a quick Google and see what we got right here. Okay, 42, yeah, so we're looking pretty off. Obviously, I do want to coupon this stuff. That actually looks like a pretty good deal. All the time when you're Googling products with SellerAmp, you're gonna come across stuff that is a different item, but it looks like a deal, and you do want to go ahead and look that stuff up on Amazon right here, although I'm not seeing anything that fits in terms of the correct item right here, so that's no problem. Obviously not everything's going to be profitable right here. Let's see, this would be a great item to buy with Q4 approaching right here. 70 bucks right here. Okay, 30 bucks. Let's see, so we got medium and large. Okay, let's see, medium right here. Boom, 64 bucks. Okay, dry men's thermo hoodie. Okay, and then so we can see we got $29.97 right here. Yep, men's thermo full zip. Yep, full zip right there. Cool. All right, $29.97 right here. So that leaves us about 15 bucks profit, about a 50% ROI right there. That's not bad at all. We can also see this is currently a 58K BSR, so there's a good chance the price is going to go up on this in the future as well. We can see a year ago that the price was around like 85 during Q4 right here. So say this goes up even a little bit and goes up to like 70 bucks or 75 this year, then we're going to be making some serious cash on this. It looks like they only got a couple left right here, but this is absolutely not a bad product whatsoever. You can see this extra large here as well. Yeah, 61, same deal on this one, right? $29.97, not bad at all. What I would do in this case is I would catalog this after purchasing it if I just found it on my own. What I would also do is I have an out of stock spreadsheet on SellerAmp. So I would add this to the out of stock sheet with a little note, check Tennis Warehouse. I would copy and paste this link onto there, and then we can see what we can do with that, but that's not bad whatsoever, my friends. Okay, let's see, 28 bucks. Right here, 26 seems cheap for the purple ones. We can see, is there a purple one on here? Ah, there is, okay. 47, let's see what size they got, 26. Dick's Sporting Goods taking care of us today. And this is the game with reverse sourcing, guys, right? Locating quick selling products, going in and checking if they're profitable on Amazon. Right, so 26, 27 into 51, 26.22. Right here, 26.22, 51 flat right there. Do one flat, about $10 profit, 38% ROI, 5% sales tax factored in, so it's close. Right there are people FBM in this, and this is below 1 pound, but above 50 bucks. Anything above like 25, 30 bucks, that's below 1 pound, as we can see on the dimensions. It's really cheap to FBM. So this is actually gonna be better to FBM rather than FBA. Right, and we can see price is pretty stable here too. Honestly, this is like a nice winner. We had to go here. This will ship for like $4.50, 5 bucks. Right there, so it's right about that similar ROI actually. I guess FBA fees are low on this guy too. Right here, but that's not bad at all. And there's probably some other sizes that are good too. Right here, so you can see, guys, there's tons and tons of deals to be had with online arbitrage sourcing. Right here, boom, 56. And now this is Q4 themed too, because this is a clothing item. Right, so there's a good chance this goes up in price too. So 26, $13 profit. Absolutely love to see it. We're getting in the rhythm here, guys. You love to see it, right? And all we're doing is storefront stocking sellers that were on that original winning product. You can use this product as a starting point to do this stuff on your own here. Let's see, 27 bucks. So we got Nordstrom 27 right here. Let's see, it's a little bit confusing right here. Okay, black, gray, blue. Right here, yeah, we're gonna have to click through the market on these guys though. Let's see, 27 colors. So they got logo, cool gray, okay. That's different. We want black, white, cool gray. Ah, here we go. 70 bucks, holy crap. Ah, medium's out of stock. Out of stock spreadsheet though, right? Let's see, they have small, extra large. Right here, large. Damn, so that large is profitable too. So both of those are profitable, they're just out of stock. So it makes a lot of sense to do out of stock spreadsheet right here. But yeah, let's see, this is the game, guys. We just gotta click through all these listings, right? So you guys at home can go ahead and do this exact same stuff right here. Open up these listings, take a look at them, 39 bucks right here. Looks like we can pick them up for 22.5 right there. No, we can actually pay 24, that's my bad, 25 right there. Nike.com constantly has 20% sales. So what I would do in this case is I would spreadsheet this, because we know at 25, we would make about $1.66, which is not good. But at 20, right, now we're making a nice $7 profit, 35% ROI. Nike.com has good cash back as well. So this is the kind of thing I would put on an almost good spreadsheet right here with a little note when Nike.com 20% comes on. That makes sense. You guys can see the beauty of this stuff, right? I can go ahead in just a couple minutes, find a bunch of winning products right here. All of this stuff is giftable. It's going to perform well during Q4. It's really good to stay organized with the SellerAmp spreadsheets as well. So we appreciate you guys watching this SellerAmp video. Make sure you get a free trial at selleramp.com. Check out any of our videos and let us know any questions for more. See you guys in the next one.